everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be adding more stickers to the sticker swap sticker wall. I'm also going to be showing off some other stuff I've got, but really cool. These are some of my favorite videos to do, and I'm always happy to do these, but really cool. So let's get the swap started. The first one is Preservation Burlington. Preserve, educate, and involve. It's a preservation company here in Burlington that really focuses on keeping older buildings alive instead of just demolishing them, houses and all, but giving them a second chance. Really cool. Brew and Chew Festival, North Carolina Transportation Museum. I went to the Transportation Museum for my birthday this past year, and I picked up this sticker. I really wanted just a nice Transportation Museum sticker, but I got this one. It's a really cool place to go, about an hour up the road from me. Dusty Dad Woodworks. Nice Saw logo there. Wild Mike's Pizza. Really cool. You've seen me wear a Wild Mike's Pizza shirt in one of my videos before. The best, hands down, oven pizza that's out there. I posted some of their stuff on an Instagram story a couple times, and they contacted me and sent me a fan pack with a batch of these stickers. I've already got one on my truck, one's on the scroll saw, and I'm going to put one on the sticker wall. And they also sent me a Wild Mike's official pizza cutter, but really cool. Harvester Woodworks, Boise, Idaho, and also gives the coordinations or the coordinates to where they're at, so I wonder if they are former nautical people. Wayward Wood, established 2018. Really cool. And Craftsman, they also sent me a fan pack, which I'm always happy to receive those. If you guys ever want to send me anything, I will use it, as I'm about to show. They sent me a nice vinyl Craftsman logo decal. Really cool. My grandfather was a diehard Craftsman fan, and it just kind of carried over with me. You've seen me using the Craftsman tools in my videos and on my Instagram post and all. They also sent me a nice license plate styled magnet that I can put on one of the tools out here. And a thank you note for being a supporter of Craftsman. And they also sent me this tumbler in Craftsman red with the Craftsman logo on it with We Build Pride. I've got my ice water in it, and it keeps drinks extremely cool, which I love. More stickers. Shark Attack, We Have Wood. Nice saw blade and shark logo there. Everyone knows I love sharks. Undead Wood Designs. Really nice wood grain skull design there. Really cool. Yellow Jacket Woodworks. Looks like the Pokemon Beedrill on it. Great logo. Squirrely Acres. Where nuts come together, don't feed the bears. Nice little squirrel sticker there. Heart and Sun, TP Heart. Nice house logo there. Sticker came to me from overseas. It always humbles me when people reach out and ask to sticker swap and they're overseas. And I want to show you in the latest Scroll Saw and Woodworking Crafts magazine, Winter 2021 issue 85, they have featured me in YouTubers to follow when it comes to the scroll saw. I'm going to show that to you here. It's on page 10. YouTube channels to subscribe to. I'm featured with Scroll Saw Village, Size Corner, and then there you see Artisan Pirate. Thank you, that, Scroll Saw Woodworking and Crafts Magazine, and Fox Chapel Publishing. Thank you guys for that. A few more stickers here. Land Shark Surf Shack. Really fun place to go and relax for a little while. I'm partial to the one in Myrtle Beach, which is attached to the huge iconic downtown Sky Wheel. The bar is right there in the entrance to the Sky Wheel, but really, really cool place just to go and relax and people watch and just kick your feet up. BeachRC.com. This is a hobby store I also walked into at the beach and was surprised. They have a full RC track down there, but they give me a sheet of their stickers with their contact info on their Instagrams and socials right there. Really, really fun. Used to be into model cars a lot. Liberty 60, another sticker from overseas. Living Legends Construction, established 2018. Saw Blade Projects, woodworker on YouTube. Let's Go Make Something, Wacky Woodworks Ltd. And the Phoenix Wood Shop, really, really awesome logo. All these are amazing logos. I really like the Phoenix there rising from the ashes, but really, really cool. That's all the new stickers and stuff that I've got in recently that I wanted to show you guys. Now, as always, let's get all of the new amazing stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are now up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall, and this wall of motivation is now almost 100% full. These two panels, actually, I've still got room over here on these two for more, and once all these are 100% full, I will take down the banner, the clock, and everything, and add more panels so we can keep doing sticker swap shout out videos. These are some of my favorite videos to do. Social media is your key ally in the woodworking community and networking with people. I know some people don't like to do it. They're not up to speed on it. But once you learn it, it's very easy to grow your following and also help other people grow their following. I have been blessed to meet so many people and interact with them. The Sticker Swap sticker wall is proof of that. I've gotten in contact with everybody here, or they've gotten in contact with me. Every sticker represents a contact and a new friend made. As always, if you guys want to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, just send me a message. All of my contact info is always down in the description box below, and I will also leave everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description box below as well, so you can network with them, socialize with them, follow them, subscribe to them if they're a YouTuber, and most importantly, sticker swap with them. I hope if I've sticker swapped with you, my sticker has a place of honor in your workshop as well. I always look forward to the tags when people do their sticker swaps, and I can look for the little Jolly Roger in everyone's shop. That's always fun for me to do, and also on people that I've swapped with that are YouTubers and everything. But that's about all for this video. If you guys want to swap with me, just let me know. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.